Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Reka AI to summarize text as it is perfect for articles, notes, reports, as well as study materials. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and within the search bar, type Reka.ai, then press enter. Now you will be redirected to the Reka official page. Within it, tap Try Reka and make sure that you are logged in with your account prior. On the home page, go to the Explore section and move the cursor towards the Reka chat and tap Try Now, or you can just click the chat icon from the left side menu where it opens the Reka AI chat interface. In the message box, make sure to paste the text that you want to summarize. It can be an article, story notes, a report, or any long paragraph. After pasting the text, type a clear instruction. You can take the full control on how the summary looks. Then press enter. Now it will begin to summarize the text based on your prompt instruction. If you want, you can also ask Reka AI to define it by asking a follow-up questions or instructions. And again, it will provide you the summarized text based on your follow-up instruction. You must always make sure to review the summaries to make sure that the important details aren't missed. And you can use Reka AI as a time-saving tool, not as replacement for reading. And that's it. This is how you can easily summarize text using Reka AI. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.